Goyard! Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mayank and I am a fashion freak, a Goyard geek, a luxury lover, a shopaholic, chic shithead, Hermes whore, a Chanel cat. You guys, I did it! Oh please, I got more. I had to get more from the pink collection. I had to get more from the new limited edition collection, so I did. So today's video is an unboxing from the Goyard Jet Black Pink collection. Another bag from the Goyard Jet Black and Powder Pink collection. You guys, I did it. I got another bag. Got another bag. Got another bag. I got another bag from the Pink collection. I had to have it shipped from distant sales. So if that's something you're interested in, please stick around. Please smash that like button. Please consider subscribing. Subscribe. And keep on watching. As you guys know, I'm obsessed with the Jet Black Powder Pink collection. Here's our little buddy. I just took him out for the first time at my friend's wedding. As you guys know, this collection was completely sold out, impossible to get. They sold it all out in pre-sales and they didn't say they were going to get another bit shipment. After I got my two from my store, I can't get more than two, so I had to like be a little tricky to get more basically, because you're only allowed two, one from each color line. So in order to get more, I would have to do it under a different account because they're very strict about their policies, one from each collection. Don't make any exceptions as far as I know. Maybe some people got exceptions, but like even as a VIP, you can't get that. I called all my essays, all the other stores, because you know I have an essay at every single store to get what the other ones that I wanted to get, and inventory was different, and some of them had some things but other things didn't, and then I was kind of debating on which one I wanted to get and from which store and blah blah blah, and a lot of the things ended up selling out really fast, and most of them ended up being out. So then I didn't think anything about it, and I was like, oh well, I guess I'm not gonna get anything. Oh, and by the way, I did go to get two more from my store when it launched, and I have a whole other story about that. I have a whole other story about buying once the launch happened, going into the store and buying once the launch happened on the regular launch, but I'll talk about that in a different video. So stay tuned for that. By the time the regular launch happened, most of the stuff was sold out at most of the stores. My SA held some stuff for me at my store to get on a different account. All the other things were gone, and the things that I was holding with her are different items than this. So what happened? So I contacted all the other stores and most of them didn't have anything, or they were sold out, but they said they might be getting another shipment. I reached out to all the stores to find which ones were having another shipment, and I guess they did end up doing a second shipment. So they did do a second shipment of this collection, limited second shipment to all the stores, and the only way you could get it was kind of like a pre-order thing. So I pre-ordered this from a different store under a different account, but using my card. So I used a different account, but my credit card, my billing address, my shipping, and I had it shipped to me. And in your billing address and shipping address have to be the same for the distance sales. So the distance sales shipped it to me, basically distance sales. I mean, it shipped it from the other store basically to me overnight. You pay for the shipping. Shipping's $30. You pay for that too, and you pay for the bag, and then the tax on it actually is based on where you live. So it's on your address. If you don't live near a Goyard store, if you don't live in a state that has a Goyard store, then they won't charge you any tax, I believe. So if you live in like any of the other 45, 46 states that don't have a Goyard store, you won't be charged tax, I think. Or they'll charge you your local tax of your location. I think it's either or. I think I've heard from other people that they don't charge you anything, and then I've heard from people that they charge you local tax. I've done it where I've shipped it to a different state and they didn't charge me any tax. It was because that state didn't have any tax. It was to Portland, Oregon. When I was in Portland, Oregon, I was doing some work there. So I had one of my bags shipped there. Actually, this one, I had it shipped there. So I could get it there while I was working. Because this was a distance sales ship from Miami because they were sold out at my store and I had to get it from Miami. So I had to buy it and have it shipped to my store, and then my store shipped it to me in Portland. But I had to buy it from the other store. Anyway, that's a whole other story. Second round of shipments basically happened. So story time. Here's the story time. Okay. All right. There's a long story. Okay. So I was in contact with my SA at that store and they said they were getting another shipment. So then I checked all the stores to see who's also was getting a shipment. Everyone was getting another shipment about of what kind of bags that they might have. And basically the store that I got it from was getting this item and I wanted it, so I did a pre-order. So the pre-order process is basically before the bag has even come, you're pre-ordering it to kind of hold the bag for you under your name, under your reservation, which I think is different than when they hold the bags for you in the store, which my SA does from real time. But pre-order, you basically buy it and then if it's your local store, you can go and get it and pick it up. If you don't pick it up, they refund it to you, I believe. But if you buy it from another store, then they ship it to you. But they have to wait. So I was waiting. So they said they had it, that I could buy it, but I had to wait for it to be processed and wait for the shipment to be delayed. Then it has to go through the shipment. They see what's coming in the shipment, but they don't actually have it. So they wait to see it come. Then they have to process it, unpack it. Then they can do the whole process and sell it and ship it to you. But in order to pre-order it, you have to basically They send you some info, you fill out a form, you sign it, and then they send you a payment link, and you pay via the payment link. If you have American Express, you have to actually call. They have to do it over the phone. They can't do American Express with the payment link for some reason. But yeah, so that's what happened. And then I had to wait because they were still processing it. So this whole process took like 2-3 weeks actually to get this. That's why this video is so late. But then they shipped it to me and I got a FedEx tracking number and I tracked it and I got it, and then it came and I just signed for it today. And now I'm obviously filming because I just signed for it. So this is gonna be an unboxing. We actually haven't even seen this bag either, you guys. We are both seeing this together. I didn't see any pictures of it. I didn't see anything about this bag. So we're gonna open it together at the same time, unbox it, and yeah. So if you have more questions about the whole process of distance ordering or ordering from another store, shipping from another store, I can tell you all about it. But basically, I got in contact with the SA. I said I wanted it. They sent me an email. I had to fill out a form, sign a form agreeing to it, then sent me a payment link or call for American Express, paid, got a receipt, the bill was charged. Once it was processed, they gave me a tracking number and they shipped it, and it came the next day, and I had to sign for it. You have to sign for it. Adult has to sign for it. It has to, your address, your billing address and your shipping address have to be the same. The card on file, the card you use can be different than the account you use, but usually they want that to be the same too. This is just because I had already gotten my pink and my black, so I couldn't get another one under my account. So I had to get it under my friend's account. And I got it. Okay. So it's in a really nicely taped, very like protected box. It says if the seal is broken, don't use it, blah, blah, blah. This is the order. I'm just gonna, keep this for my records. For my records. Actually, do I need to keep this for my records? That's really funny. They said my name twice. It says Mayank instead of my last name. And then when you sign for it, they need to see an ID too. Here we go. Hello, Chai. Chai's over there. I hope I don't cut the box. By the way, you guys, also side note, I'm leaving for France tomorrow. I don't know when I'm posting this video, so I could have already gone to France by the time I post this video because I don't have enough time. I'm leaving for France soon, and I will do some vlogs and shopping and info about that whole experience as my journey for my Birkin. And obviously I'm going to go to Goyard and Chanel and Louis Vuitton and everywhere because everything's so much cheaper there, you guys. So much cheaper. So I'll talk about the prices. I can also do a video about Goyard prices there. And if I can vlog inside there, I will. Although I could get in trouble and I don't want to get in trouble. Because I already feel like, don't want to get in trouble. Okay. Oh. The receipt was here. Good. It's under a different account, as I thought it would be. It has his account number. It's based on shipping to California and tax to California. Just keep you right there. Oh, you guys. They shipped it with a bag. That's really nice. So it's got this paper in here. And it's shipped in a bag. That's so sweet. Look at that. You guys. Do it with me. Ah. That's my favorite. Ah! I got it. Ah! Yay! Okay. Gonna open it together. Okay, so it's a box. So obviously, it's one of the things that comes in a box. Limits the options already, I think. The best part of opening a box is unwrapping. Okay. Beautiful. Oh my god. You guys, it smells amazing in here. It smells so good. It's got a little poopy pillow. Here we go. You guys, I think you know though. Ah! It's the SAIGON Supple in pink. Oh My God. Look it! If you watched my shopping vlog, you saw me try both of these on, and I was debating between both of them, and I wanted to get both. I didn't at the time because it was a lot, but I couldn't stop thinking about this. I literally couldn't stop thinking about it, and I was like, who doesn't need another pink bag? I don't, but okay. Let's get into it. Okay. So here's the bag. It's got the same thing. It's got these little protector things. This is cool. My Nano didn't have this front cloth. I wish it did, actually. I wonder why it didn't. Weird. But okay. Let's get into it. So it's got that open thing. It's got the wood, a light wood, not like that one. You got this. It's a beautiful size bag. I mean, you can wear it top handle, obviously. You could maybe fit in here. So that's what it looks like. And then we have this cloth. We'll take her off too. And inside we have a little pouch. We have one slot in the back. It's a yellow interior. It's supple, so it's soft and flexy. We have the Goyard paper thing that just tells you this is probably a strap, which we can get to in a sec. Take out the poof. So yeah, it looks like that inside. It's kind of like, you know, this is like a 25 Kelly. No, a 20. I actually don't know the measurements of this, but it's probably a 20. In powder pink. It comes with two little taggies attached, and you guys, this is so nice. That's what it looks like inside. Okay, let's take these off. That's what she looks like without any of the yellow on her. So that's what she looks like. Okay, let's take this off too, because we're gonna use this right away. So we gotta take this off right now. That's what she looks like. I'm definitely gonna be a crossbody person. She's got two little buttons there. Ooh, let's see what the date code is, shall we? So it's got one big packet in the back. It says Goyard, Paris, made in France in silver. Haha, here's the date code. September 2022. She's got two little like zip indents here, kind of like tied in part of the design, so it kind of folds in like that to give it that kind of like that look. Almost like that Kelly look where it folds in. You guys, this is so cute. Oh my God. This is so silly, but would it? I mean, it would, but I'm gonna stretch it. But basically, it would if I wanted it to. Okay, now we're gonna attach the strap on. You know what I mean? So this strap is a little different. It only has, I think, 2 sizes. That one has like 5 sizes. This only has, I think, 2 sizes. Could be wrong, but yeah, it looks like it's just got these pegs. Oh, it's got 3 peg options. You slide it through, and then you can do these 2 here and here, like that and that, and it would be like that. Or you can do these 2, which is a little shorter, and I guess you plug this one here just to keep it from, and you have the shorter version, like that. Yes, I'm wearing pink to match. I wonder if you're supposed to put this under this. Maybe you are. Oh, that's cool. It says Goyard Paris on this too. So if you have like a really small arm, like smaller than mine, and you're not wearing this, she can fit in here, right? It's a little tight for me, but it might fit for someone else. I don't know how that looks though. I'll try to, I'll look it in the mirror in a sec, but I think that that's a little tight for me. But let me take the string out. Let me take the, oh my God, oh, she totally add a little twirly to her. Okay. Yeah, I mean, that's what it would look like on. You can also add a twirly. You can also, you know, just have so much fun. There's so much fun to be had. Okay, this is what she looks like. So this is on the shortest. You can also wear it like that. Oh. I mean, I guess if you have like a really small arm. The stitching is all white too, so it's like, it's got that like contrast stitching color. The detailing's so nice. The wood, it feels really smooth and sturdy, and it can kind of like rotate a little bit like this, but when the strap's in place, it doesn't as much. It's got 2 little bolts here, but that's about it on the details. It's got leather corners, protect the bottom. There are no feet, so, you know, I wouldn't suggest putting it down too much, but this kind of goes like that, so it kind of like is in your body a little bit. This can also be crossbody, or just be a really short crossbody. You guys, I mean, what do you guys think? Okay. Thoughts, comments. I'll do a what fits inside next and a size comparison and all those things. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Please smash that like button. Please share with your friends and family. If you hated it, share it with your enemies and exes. I know your time is valuable. I know your time is precious. So I appreciate you spending your time here with me. I'm going to go spend some time here with her. And thank you guys so much. And I'm so excited.